So we have the accessory box and armrest. The top. So this is the chair itself. We have the base. And it's very beautiful Titan backrest. And we have the headrest. And this very big instruction. A lot of the budget actually went in here. So yeah, let's try to assemble it right now. And so guys, these are the things that we can actually get from opening the Secretlab box. So we have the chair, some accessories, and headrest, and of course the one at your back. I actually missed this one. This is actually also in the box that I was not able to find initially. So it's like Secretlab access, which looks good. So inside we have another instruction manual. Yeah, we had wipes to clean the chair, which is, as far as I have observed, online doesn't really work that much, but it's free. And yeah, another manual. This is the normal manual, and I think it states on how to maintain your chair. And yeah, I think that's all that it has. I would say, I know that this chair is actually quite expensive compared to other normal office chairs or gaming chairs, which is why the unboxing experience is quite, they do go all out with the unboxing experience. So I just hope that there's no damage of the chair, because I have the shipping fee will be very expensive. I ship it internationally. I bought from Singapore and currently I'm in Taiwan, so if ever there's problem, then the shipping cost will be very much high. So okay, let's try to assemble the chair following this big guide. Strong magnet. These are the views. Gladly, the base actually looks amazing. There's no scratch or whatsoever that I always see in the internet, so far so good. We're starting great, guys. Everything has been looking good so far. That is from the accessory box. Looks like it's gonna get dirty so fast as we have this one actually that is on the right side that needs to go in first. On the other side, it's just gonna slide right away, so there's no problem. And so that's the overall assembly and unboxing experience of this new Secretlab Titan 2024, which I believe is just a 2022 model rebranded for this year. The box did says 2024, so don't blame me about that one. And also what I purchased is actually the Arctis white collar in soft weave fabric. And now that I saw it, the color is actually not that white, it's more like light gray, which is a lot better for me because I actually requested to have it changed to cookies and cream as the white might get a little too dirty too fast, and it was too late. However, they already shipped the chair to me, so I was not able to change it anymore. But now that I saw it, that the color is not really that white, then it makes me feel a little bit more comfortable as I don't need to worry about dirt too much anyway. And luckily so far I haven't encountered any issues. There are no noise when I'm reclining the backrest or pushing the chair up or down, and the lumbar support is very amazing in particular. And although there are a lot of people that has been complaining on how stiff or how hard the chair itself, I personally think it's not really that much of an issue. Yes, it's not as soft as those memory foam sofas, but we do use the Herman Miller Aeron at the office, and the stiffness is actually just quite comparable with the one that I'm using right now for the Secretlab Evo Titan. Of course, it feels a little different considering that the material is actually very different with the Herman Miller Aeron and the Secretlab Titan Evo, but with regards to the bounciness or the stiffness of the chair itself, they are just more or less comparable for me. Now the question is it worth it? Well, considering the price, it's actually quite hard to justify it. There's a lot of chairs out there that is that you can choose that is a lot cheaper and looks the same or feels the same with the Secretlab's chair. However, I'm living in a place where those chairs are actually not available. I've been like trying to find a lot of chairs online, and most of those needs to be purchased maybe in China, in AliExpress, or from Amazon, which the shipment itself is actually very expensive. So I had no choice but just to go with this chair instead. So yeah, maybe if I'm normally in the Philippines, or if you're in the US or Europe or in China, where a lot more choices you can have, then I don't really think I will be buying this one. But for me right now, this is the best chair that I can find with the budget that I have, that also looks good as well. Because to be honest, you're also buying this one not just on the comfort that it offers, but also on how it actually looks, or its aesthetics that actually matches the computer or the setup that I have right now. And so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!
Oh, I want something just like this.